I don't really smell the woodsy notes. Hi everyone, it's Sally Cat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unbagging of the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of July 2021. And just so you know, the Ipsy Glam Bag is a monthly beauty bag subscription for $12 where you get 5 deluxe samples. And out of the 5 products, you get to pick one. And sometimes we're lucky enough to get a full-size product. So without further ado, let's unbag this beauty. Yes! And once you unbag this beauty, you'll actually get a card that tells you the theme for the month, and the theme this month is Stay Golden. So the first product here is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. And guess what? This is a 3-in-1 primer, and it hydrates, smooths, and preps your skin before makeup. Yes, it also has a blend of rich coconut water and quinoa protein. Yes, so let's actually feel this moisturizer. I myself am actually a very big fan of First Aid Beauty. I mean, I always see this at Sephora, and I've actually tried this before, and it's simple, but it does the job. Now, let's actually feel it. It actually feels very hydrating. Now, let's actually smell it. Yes! And it actually smells really mild. So that means if you have sensitive skin or if you have sensitivity smells, this one is very good. Yes. So the next product here is the Nanette Lip Pore Luna Fragrance. And it says this fragrance is light yet dark, engaging yet mysterious, smooth yet crisp. Yes. Luna uses a blend of citrus, floral, and woodsy notes to harness the power of the opposites. And the big one of this is $90. And this is a deluxe sample. So let's actually try it. Let's open this beauty. Oh my gosh, that's actually like a very good size. Usually something like this at Sephora would be sold at like around $25 to $30. So this is a good value. So now let's actually try it. Yes. So let's spray it on. Now let's smell it. Let's wait first. Yes. I can actually say that I actually smell more of a floral, and then it dries down to citrus. And let's smell it again. I don't really smell the woodsy notes, but it's okay because you know what? I myself, I like anything that's floral and citrusy. Yeah, so super happy about that. So the next product here is the Marc Antony and Shea Deep Nourishing Conditioning Treatment. And this is Shea. Oh my gosh, that's actually a generous size. And this one is 50 milliliters. Yes. And the big one of this is $8.99. And it says in here that this deeply nourishing hair mask is made with biotin. It also has 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter to wrap every strand in rich hydration. So now let's actually try it. Let's open this beauty. Oh my gosh, it's sealed. I actually like it when a product is sealed. You know, it seems like you actually get the bang for your buck. Yes. So now let's actually feel it. Let's put it on. And first, let's smell it. You know what? It actually smells like coconut. Now let's actually like blend it with my fingers, and let me put some on my hair. And now let's actually smell it. You know what? I can actually smell the coconut. And the fact that this one actually has like a lot of like nourishing ingredients and conditioning ingredients, super happy about it. Yes. So the next product is the Kat Von D Vegan Mini Cake Pencil in Trooper Black. Yes, I actually already used this. And the good thing about this one is that it's super creamy, it's ultra pigmented, and easy to use. And guess what? It's also waterproof, so it will not smudge. Yes, I actually used this right on my waterline. So let me show you how I used it. It's actually like a really deep jet black. Look at that. And it's also automatic. And let me show you. You can also put this on right on your waterline. And let me show you the difference. Look at the difference of this eye compared to the other side. So the good thing about this one is that it really glides on very well. And compared to like most eyeliners that I've used, this one doesn't bleed. Yes, I guess that's because it's waterproof. And I myself, I love a lot of Kat Von D products. Yes. And the last product here is the Araceli Beauty Eyeshadow Duo in Copper and Chocolate. Yes. And the big one of this is $30. I myself, I've fallen in love with a lot of Araceli eyeshadows because they're small, yet it's of high quality. Now let me show you. So this is the brown color. Look at that. It's actually like a reddish brown. And now let's actually try the bronze. Now let's put it on. That's actually really pretty as well. Yeah, so super happy about that. So now let me give you a rewind or a recap of everything we got. So we got in here the First Aid Beauty 3-in-1 Moisturizer. We also got the Nanette Lepore Luna fragrance. We also got our conditioning treatment by Mark Antony. We also got our, where's that? The eyeliner. And we also got our eyeshadow. Yes, and I only paid everything for $12. If you ask me, I'm actually going to use everything. So I'm actually very happy with this bag because sometimes the Ipsy Glam Bag can be a hit or a miss. How about you? What do you like out of these 5? Please let me know. And there you have it. So that goes for our unbagging for the Ipsy Glam Bag for July 2021. So if you enjoyed this video, hope that you can support it by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you're into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as my new episode where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a specific topic that's close to my heart, please consider subscribing. Yes. And again, this is Alicat Castle telling you, you are beautiful with or without makeup. Yes. And you deserve all the very best that this world and this universe has to offer. I love you. See you again soon. Bye.